Hi everyone, hope you're good. So, bit of a fun video. I was in TK Maxx the other day in Australia and found this Oral-B teeth whitening soap. Been drinking a lot of coffee. Don't know if you can see. Teeth are gone a bit yellowy, brown there. So I thought, I'd give it a whirl. So it's only $17, which is now, what's that, £8 or something. So you get the little light with it, the whitening emulsions, all the stuff in this box. So I'm just laughing there reading the instructions. So give it a good squeeze. Ooh, give your tube a good squeeze, it says. So the whitening emulsions disperse onto the whitening wand, covering the entire tip. Saucer. Swipe on in seconds. Apply the product directly, liberally, making sure to cover all surfaces of your teeth. Allow the emulsion to whiten for 30 minutes before applying the light. Jeez. For best results, do not eat or drink during this time. Boost. To start the light, press the two buttons on the side of the light simultaneously, then release. Finally, hold the light against your teeth on 3 minutes or until the light turns off. 4. Smile and go. Now you're ready. Sounds easy enough, but does it work? Has anyone done it before? Have you tried it? Let me know in the comments what you think. And if you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe. It's a bit of a daft video, this one. Now let's see what you get in this pack. Oh no, I've dropped it everywhere. 1 second. What a spaz. Right, so what have we got? So we've got the whitening light. It says press the two buttons on the sides. Oh, look at that. Whoa. It says it will go off. I think you're only supposed to leave it on for 3 minutes. It will go off on its own. You get your whitening wand. You've got the actual whitening stuff, which comes in a nice little packet, dropping off stuff all over. And you get a little stand as well, so you can see the stand. Put it on there, and put your whitening wand in there. Yeah, not bad. I mean, you can't know. I don't know how much it should have been for full price. $35. Yeah, I don't know if I'd have paid that for it. We'll give it a go. Some people are hit and miss with all these things. I've seen some people reviewing the whitening paste and they said they're brilliant, so we'll give it a go anyway. Alright, I'll set you up there and we'll give it a go. So, whitening wand. A little seal on it so you can see it's all sealed up. That way. Assuming it's that way. Right. Well, that's how you do it. Seems like that's it. Don't seem to be coming off. Seems to be staying on the end of the one thing. Put a bit more on. Need to get a brace on the bottom teeth, look. Any good Australian dentists, get in touch. Yeah, and that's it. Doesn't taste of anything. I thought it tasted like mint or something. Nothing. So right, let me see. Double check. Doesn't taste one. Give your teeth. It goes with dispenser onto whitening one, covering the entire tip. Yeah. Swipe on in seconds. Liberal wipe on. Oh, my bloody lips. There we go. Not bad if you get someone else to put it on for you. It's not. It's getting there. Right, got it all over the place, right? See you in 30 minutes, and then we've got to put the light on, so come back to you. So we're back, 30 minutes. Don't look any lighter. Can't tell. I took before and after pictures. So it's time to put this thing in. 3 minutes with this now, so see you in 3 minutes. So the light's gone out, that's my 3 minutes up. Looking different? I don't know. I'm gonna put some pictures next to it for comparison, so that actually goes out on your own. I was gonna try and time it, so I turned it off and pull it out, but it actually went off before I done it, so yeah. Oral-B teeth whitener. Do they look any whitener? I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll put some pictures up before and after next to each other. If you've used it, let me know how you went on. Obviously, it's the first time I've ever used it, so you can't expect perfect in the first go. I'm going to give it a try for a few. I'll have to see when you can use it, how often you can use it. Because I don't know, some stuff it's got peroxide and it makes your teeth sensitive. It says it makes them whiter up to 4 days. I don't know. know. So I'll have to have a look, but I use the Oral-B Glamorous White toothpaste anyway, and it's not making them glamorous white with the coffee. So I'll let you know. I'll put the pictures up and you can see. Let me know in the comments what yours does to you, and please go and subscribe. And hope you enjoyed the video.